Welcome back. Just another day. It's gonna be hot today, but I hear tomorrow's supposed to be in the high 90s, so I probably won't be working tomorrow. Got the trunk looking all good and straight. Blocked it out this morning. Didn't record it because it's all boring stuff, but yeah, pretty happy with it. You know, it only took like 6 hours, but it came out good. So I'm just gonna let you guys know I'm only doing one panel at a time, just so that way I can just tackle everything and then prime it, then jump on to the next. It's kind of unorthodox to do that, but in a small little garage like this, it seems to work out better for me. So that way I can just focus just on one thing at a time, so I don't overlook or miss anything. So as you can see, it has primer already on this car from previous body guy, but we're going to be redoing all this because there's dents everywhere. But there are a few big hitters though. Look at that big dent. They need to be pulled. Yeah, technically people will just fill with body filler, but we ain't doing that. We're gonna pull it out as best we can. In fact, this is knocked up a little higher, so when we pull it, we gotta knock this high spot down while we pull this out. Stretch metal. We'll get there. Also, introducing one of my other tools I got like 4 or 5 months ago is the angle grinder. Also legit. I'm not just trying to sell these tools. I really love it. I mean, everything I got is all snap-on, you know, just to prove it. I mean, just everything I got. Oh, except these. But yeah, for you car guys, man, trust me, these are freaking, it's the shit. It's legit. Not trying to sell tools, just trying to guide people the right way to get some tools that are reliable and affordable, you know. So we're gonna get grinding on these. Time to break out these old school spot welder. I think this thing is over 16 years old right now. Long time. Let's get this going. So what we're going to want to do is pretty simple, but you can also ruin this by pulling it too hard and overstretching the metal. It's going to cause that coffee can effect if you overstretch it. People don't realize when you dent, all you're doing is stretching the metal. So this dent made this up higher, so I'm going to slightly pull while I'm hammering on top of this. That's where all the, just to relieve all the pressure. Once I hit that down, it's going to automatically come out with a slight pull. So I'm going to use this one. I'm not going to use the slide hammer. We don't need that kind of pressure, not yet. It just needs to be pulled like this while I hit this down. See, it already came up already. Just hitting that. And it's pulled, see? I didn't even have to use the slide hammer for this. Just had to hit all and relieve the pressure from up here. A lot of people think you just put a slide hammer and pull the shit out of it, but you don't. There's a lot of finesse in certain things, you know. Now, I'm gonna pull out this Merca 3-inch sander, the DA, with some 80 grit, and I'm just gonna pull this all the way out. Feather it all the way out, so I can mix the little filler and spread it out further right here. So I know the dent was right here, and some people are probably wondering why I took it all the bare metal out here. Yeah, there sure is a dent there, but we got to blend the filler out towards the bare metal. I mean, most of it gets, 90% of it gets sanded off, and then it's just gonna skim coat just for imperfections right here. So it'd be a filler putty all the way through here, and once it gets sanded off, it's only gonna be around here. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, now onto the door. Body work on the quarter panel should be pretty good. Get into prime. Now I just gotta block the shit out of this door and make sure it ain't no crazy waves in it or anything that we're missing. All right, we finally got everything all wrapped up and prepped and ready for primer, just for the driver's side only. All nice and masked up so no overspray gets anywhere. The doors will be coming off anyways when we spray the jams and all that. But I'm just weird and really anal about masking up really nice. But yeah, stay tuned and hopefully to get this in the primer tonight or tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.